Hi, I'm Sushma Balakrishna. Answering the first question, if the problem of lack of access to the quality STEM education for the marginalized girls get resolved, India would look very different from for our children. By empowering girls from the disadvantaged backgrounds and with these STEM skills, we open up the opportunities for them to pursue higher education and careers in the field that can uplift their socio-economic status. This can break the cycle of poverty and gender inequality that persist in many other parts of India. To solve this problem, I would want to initiate a community based STEM hub learning stations or learning centers that provide an immense hands on learning experience in science, technology, engineering, and maths. These centers would be designed safe and an inclusive space where the girls can explore their interest, build confidence, and receive a mentorship from the role models in STEM fields. According to the UNESCO report, only 35% of the students in higher education across the world are women. A sad part, but still, the family and the additional support, learning support, is very crucial for changing these people careers and making sure that we shape their career graphs for these girls. According to the National Science Foundation, 80% of the jobs created in the next decade will require some science and math skills. However, the access is confined to a limited population in India. The envision that STEM hubs are just not more than the after school program or a traditional school. They would be very dynamic, have an experiential learning, and the environment would be fostering to their creativity, curiosity, and problem solving skills. Girls would have the opportunity to work on the real world projects, participate in making the space and interacting with emerging technologies, and engage with religion industry professionals and research. The reason I see the STEM hub as a powerful solution is that it can address the multiple barriers that the marginal girls are facing in accessing the quality STEM education. These barriers include lack of resource, gender bias, and lack of role models and socio-cultural norms that discourage girls from pursuing STEM field. By creating a dedicated space that prioritizes on hands-on learning, mentorship, and a supportive community, we can break down these barriers and cultivate a lifelong passion for STEM in these girls. Talking about the actions which I have already taken, I have been actively involved in highlighting STEM workshops and outreaching programs in underserved communities. I have also been networking with educators, industrial professionals, and organizations working in the space to understand the best practice and the potential collaborations. I believe I'm the right person to be doing this because I have a deep passion for STEM education and a strong commitment to provide and promote the gender equality and empowering marginalized communities. I have experience in curriculum development, project based learning, and creating an inclusive learning environment. Additionally, my background is equipped me with the necessary tools, technical knowledge, and skills to design and implement an effective STEM programs. The Circle Incubation would enable me to take this initiative to the next level by providing the resource, mentorship, and support needed to turn on my vision into reality. With the access to the different experts in the field and a network of like minded individuals, I could build a sustainable model for establishing the STEM hubs in metro and rural area across India. The incubation program would help me in refining my approach, develop partnership, and create a scalable solution that can have a long lasting impact on the life of these marginalized girls and the future for the STEM education in India.